Electric vehicles are supposed to be the future of transportation, right? But what if I told you that fixing an EV could cost you more than the car is worth? From exorbitant repair bills to software glitches, the EV landscape isn't as rosy as it seems. In this video, we're breaking down 8 shocking reasons why fixing electric vehicles is often more trouble than it's worth. If you're thinking of buying an EV or already own one, you won't want to miss this. Reason number 8, the costly reality of EV repairs. Let's kick off with one of the most obvious reasons, which is repair costs. Fixing electric cars isn't just expensive, it's shockingly expensive. One of the biggest culprits, the battery. Replacing a Tesla Model S battery, for example, can cost upwards of $15,000, sometimes more than the value of the car itself. Even minor issues with EVs can lead to massive bills because these cars require specialized parts and expertise that most shops don't have. It's no wonder that many EVs end up in junkyards after just one major breakdown. Reason number 7, lack of support for EV owners. Next, there's the support issue. While EV adoption is growing, support systems for fixing them haven't kept up. There's a lack of trained technicians, and many independent repair shops simply aren't equipped to handle EVs. Startups without a dealer network, like Tesla, make this problem even worse. EVs often sit untouched in junkyards after minor damage because there just isn't enough support to repair them. It's like treating your car like a disposable smartphone. Reason number 6, reliability issues. Contrary to what we've been told, EVs aren't as reliable as they seem. In fact, a recent survey by Consumer Reports revealed that electric cars have 80% more problems than their traditional counterparts. From battery issues to charging malfunctions, these cars are far from hassle-free. And while most EVs are still under warranty, once that warranty expires, owners are left with sky-high repair bills and long waits. That's a major headache for anyone who depends on their car. Reason number 5, software glitches. Here's a big one: software. Modern electric cars are essentially rolling computers, and like any tech, they're prone to glitches. EVs often suffer from software bugs that affect everything from battery management to driver assistance systems. Even big names like GM have struggled with this. Models like the Hummer EV and Blazer EV have been plagued by persistent software issues. And to make matters worse, over-the-air updates aren't always available, leaving owners with long repair times at the dealership. Reason number 4, EV insurance complexities. Let's talk insurance. You'd think EVs, being the future of transportation, would come with reasonable insurance costs, but that's far from reality. Due to the high costs of repairs and the limited availability of trained repair personnel, insurance premiums for EVs are significantly higher than for gas-powered cars. In fact, insurers often declare EVs as total write-offs after minor accidents because the repair costs are just too high. This means a small fender bender could leave your EV totaled and you scrambling for a new car. Reason number 3, damage to battery casings. One of the most expensive and overlooked issues with EVs is the battery casing. Even a small scratch or dent on the battery casing can result in the entire car being written off by insurance. Why? Because repairing or replacing battery casings is incredibly expensive and requires highly specialized skills. Many repair shops lack the equipment and expertise to fix these casings, leaving replacement as the only option. That's another reason why many EVs end up in the scrapyard after just a minor accident. Reason number 2, scarcity of skilled technicians. Now, imagine taking your EV to a repair shop only to be told they can't fix it because they don't have the right expertise. That's the reality for many EV owners. There's a serious shortage of mechanics trained to work on electric vehicles. In some areas, especially rural regions, owners have to travel long distances just to find someone qualified to work on their EV. And when they do, the costs are often sky-high due to the specialized knowledge required. Reason number 1, manufacturer policies. Finally, let's talk about the manufacturers themselves. Companies like Tesla tightly control the supply of parts and access to repair information. This means that only authorized dealers can service these cars, and that drives up repair costs even further. Tesla has been heavily criticized for its restrictive policies, which limit independent repair shops from getting the parts they need. As a result, repair times are long, and owners are left waiting sometimes for months just to get their cars fixed. So there you have it, 8 reasons why fixing an electric vehicle might be more trouble than it's worth. What do you think? Are electric vehicles still the future, or is this just the beginning of more problems? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching.